Earl Cyril Olarte, Anna Marshall P. Montecino.
Whenever you come.
Manang.
So now let us start our step-by-step solving the domain and the range of our rational function.
Domain and range. The domain of a function is the set of all values that the variable x can take, and the range of the function is the set of all values that f of x can take. What is domain of a rational function? The domain of a rational function consists of all real numbers x except those for which the denominator is 0. What is range of a rational function? The range of a rational function is the set of all values that f of x can take in the form of f of x equals g of x over h of x, where h of s is not equal to 0. Here is the vertical asymptote.
To get the domain and the vertical asymptote, we have to follow the steps of finding the domain of the rational function. First, we have to equate the denominator to 0, which is 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. Don't forget to put the f of x. After equating the denominator to 0, the next step is to transpose the 9 to the other side. So 3x equals to negative 9. So 3x equals negative 9 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 0. So cancel off. What remains is x equals to negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So here is your final answer. After that, of course, do not forget to conclude the domain, which is all real numbers except negative 3. So your domain is this: all real numbers except negative 3. Write the given. Our given is f of x is equals to 5x squared plus 17 over 9x squared minus 81. Forget to do our first step. Our first step is to always equate the denominator to 0. So 9x squared minus 81 is equals to 0. After that, transpose 81 remove the 0. So 9x squared equals positive 81. Next, let us divide both sides by 9 because both sides are divisible by 9. So 9x squared divided by 9 is equals to 81 divided by 9. 9 divided by itself, 9 divided by itself is always 0. So what is left is x squared. While on the other side, 81 divided by 9 is 9. Since x squared has an exponent, let us remove it by square rooting it. So square root of x squared, do it the same on 9, and square root of 9. So square root of x squared is x, while square root of 9 is 3. So here is our final answer. As the same as the first example, the domain is all real numbers but except positive, negative 3. Now, it's your turn. It's time for you to solve. Did you get the correct answer? So the domain is all real numbers except positive and negative 5.
So that's all for today. Thank you.